Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited has launched its MGE secured bond, a fixed-rate secured corporate bond which opens on August 21 and closes on September 12. The interest rate offered is 8.75% per annum to 9.25% per annum, and the tenure is between 13 months to 23 months. The collateral for the bond is the Mayberry Equities portfolio. Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Biles has declared that the central bank will not be taking the International Monetary Fund's advice to scale back its interventions in the foreign exchange market, insisting that intervention remains the best way to stabilize the exchange rate. The IMF, in its most recent Article 4 consultation, has recommended that the bank reduce the amount of foreign exchange cambios and authorized dealers are required to submit, and cut back its buying and selling activities. Cambios must currently submit 15% of their foreign currency purchases to the central bank, whilst commercial banks must submit 20%. Mr. Biles says he and his team believe the strategy is working, saying it has helped to prevent erratic short-term swings in the exchange rate. Venice Wallace, founder of Eliza Care Home Health Services, shares her thoughts on how to maximize a return on investment in caring for your loved one, whether they be bedridden, home from the hospital, or maybe living with a disability.
For home health care training, it is very important that we, our family members, ensure that we invest in caring for our loved ones. At Eliza Care, we're doing our training, and what we do is allow you to understand the emergency purposes in caring for your loved ones, in making sure that you understand vital signs, medication, making sure that you allow yourself to feel free in caring for your loved one, understanding medical purposes, in making sure that you're doing it correctly, serving your medication correctly, making sure that you meal prep prior to caring for your loved ones, and making sure that you do the best from a home environment in caring for your loved ones. Our training is on September 27th, and you can reach us at 866-0734 if you are ready to learn more in caring for your loved ones, in making sure that you do your best in caring for the persons that are close and dear to your heart, which is your loved one. Call us today and training that it will make sure that you care for your loved ones from your heart. Call us.
For the trading period ending August 26, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 8,731,927 units traded, representing 36.30% of market sales volume. International hardware distributor Fosrich Company Limited shares with 2,209,146 units traded, representing 9.18% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited, manufacturing and distribution with 1,556,059 units traded, representing 6.47% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 26, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $42.31 million purchased and US $47.57 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.37 per dollar, selling the US at $160.99 and buying the US at $158.62. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.04 per transaction, selling at $117.01 and buying at $114.97. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.82 in profit, with selling at $217.10 and buying at $215.28. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score is silently running your financial life. Ignore it and it will cost you in loans, insurance, rentals, and even job opportunities. Don't let hidden numbers hold you back. Here are a few ways ignoring your credit score can hurt you. It's limited options for refinancing, trouble getting approved for business credit, lower negotiating power with lenders, and reduced ability to build wealth with leverage. Now, when you're building something from nothing, money moves in seasons just like nature. And as a professional woman over the age of 45, we know growth, harvest, and renewal doesn't just happen in business, they happen in life too. By syncing timeless money principles with nature's cycles, we create business plans that flow with purpose, protect our energy, and build lasting wealth. It's not about hustling harder, it's about planning smarter with rhythm, intention, and wisdom. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.